Hello, this is Sherry again. And what I'm doing right now is I just got done rechecking my bank account to go back a couple of years and see monies that are missing from monies that I had already received in years prior that don't reflect the records that the bank has. And one thing I do know at this point is that whoever did this knows who I was named after, and that's a very difficult item to know. It would have to be somebody who really knew me to know that who I was named after, because it's an unusual situation. It's almost like well, I'm not going to say that right now, but it's an unusual situation. It really makes me question a lot of the things that I've known and learned over the years. Um, but I'm looking at my Bluehost account again, and I was able to put a database back on there. Whether it will be corrupted, I don't know. And now I'm looking at a Perl 5 program that's been put on there, and this is going on for several years. So it's not an easy. It's just I'm just chipping away at one thing at a time. So now I'm going to have to try and see if I can get this Perl script off, because it looks like a transactioning. Somebody has literally turned my website into a transactioning site. No matter how frequently I take it down, they put it back up. So I have to sort of really put this out there in the public, well, not the public, but because I have a locked account, this video is definitely not listed. And I'm going to post it, but I'm talking about there's a whole chunk of the internet here that's just, not only gobbling up my income and my life, but I would imagine a lot of other people. So I'm going to be working with Bluehost on this. They've already helped me a little bit, but it's a pretty sticky situation, especially with those scripts that are. I have posted that fake the fake domain that I don't have any control over, and I took the databases down a few days ago. But I'm back on there. I would like to try to get this, since it seems to affect my bank, and that's a pretty big deal, especially considering the little computer from hell that I have over there, and the fact that there has definitely been an enormous amount of Medicare fraud, bank fraud, student loan fraud, and basically fraud against the United States government Treasury Department. So that's I'm trying to think if there's any branch of the government that hasn't been defrauded in addition to the victims of this fraud, which would be people who are on Social Security disability or citizens of the United States or immigrants. So that's it for now.